Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a chemistry question I want to work on, and this question is from JAM. And the question said, if 1 mole of aluminium contains 6 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of aluminium, how many atoms are contained in 23 grams of aluminium? We're supposed to take the atomic mass of aluminium to be 27. So it's a JAM question, right? So let's see how to work about this solution. Now we should recall that moles, right, is mass all over what? Molar mass of a substance, right? And this very formula is also equivalent to number of particles divided by the Avogadro's number. Okay, so now what it means is, if the mass of a substance is given and we get the molar mass, which in this case is 27, then we can impute the Avogadro's number and then find the number of particles. Now we should note that number of particles here include the following. We have atoms, we have molecules, and we have ions. So any of these are the particles we're referring to, right? Okay, so if that is the case, now let's work out this. They say how many atoms. So here we'll now be working with atoms now. So let's use this formula now to get what we are looking for. The mass that is given of aluminium is 23 grams, right? Then the molar mass that is given is what? 27. This one is a constant. We should always know this. And then Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is also a constant, which is 6.02, or you can just use 6.0 based on what they are giving here, but the standard is this, right? Mole per, right? Okay, so if we use the one given anyway, it's still the same value. So let's substitute it into this equation. So we'll be having mass divided by molar mass is equal to number of particles. Now we are looking for number of particles, but in this case is what? Atoms, right? In this case we are looking for atoms, divided by the Avogadro number. So our mass is 23 all over. Molar mass is 27. Number of particles is what we are looking for. In this case, atoms. And then divided by the Avogadro number. The Avogadro number that they gave us is this. So we're going to use 6 times 10 raised to the power 23. Alright, so let's do normal mathematics cross multiplication here. And we'll cross multiply, making number of particles the subject of the formula. We'll be having number of particles, atoms, equals to, so this will multiply this. We have 23 times 6 times 10 raised to the power 23, all divided by what? 27. So let's multiply this value first. So 23 times 6 times 10 raised to the power 23 is going to give us 1.38 times 10 raised to the power 25. So let's divide it by 27 now to see what we're going to be having. Divide by 27. So we're going to be having 5.111 times 10 raised to power what? 23. Now, since this is number of atoms, doesn't have unit, right? So that is the end of our calculation. So I'm going to be taking other examples again. Follow me to see the next examples that I'm going to work on. Bye for now.